My name is Engineer Paul, and my experience with the first and second cohort of the Nile Robotics Bootcamp has been amazing. It's good to know that from scratch, students with zero experience about Arduino and robotics system are able to pick up very fast to create amazing robotic devices. I am so impressed because students who have zero knowledge about electronics are able to put up together what they learned in a very short time and are able to produce something that we can say that these are products from engineering principles.
Hi, I am Ahmed Adamu Galadima, one of the instructors of the recently completed Arduino Bootcamp. My impression of this bootcamp, it has been a lively one where the students have learned quite a bit. We have gone through 2 weeks of hard work, creativity, teamwork, and the students have shown resilience, they've shown dedication, they've shown great creativity towards these projects. I believe that this program, the second cohort and the first cohorts were a success. I believe the students will use their knowledge to further any projects in the future. It has been a success and I wish them all the best.
I was really excited and curious to see what exactly the bootcamp had to offer.
My friend sent a picture of the flyer to our group chat and I was very interested.
At first, I was a bit skeptical if I wanted to join the Arduino bootcamp or not, but what motivated me was my dad. He said I should step outside my comfort zone. And that's what I did, and I don't regret doing it at all.
I've been able to have a lot of hands-on experience about things that I didn't know I could actually do. And it was really challenging to be able to actually step up and take a challenge.
I'm very interested in like sci-fi, like Star Wars and Marvel movies. So the robotics scene got me very excited to see if I could make it myself.
I enjoy making little electrical circuits at home. And I also test for knowledge, so I actually came here to fulfill both.
I was really curious about it because it was something I never tried to do, but I really wanted to try it.
What I got to know about the bootcamp was that it's very good for teamwork, discipline, patience, and problem solving, and something that I advise anyone to do.
As a computer science student, we had to encode the robots, and like for one of them, I wrote like up to 124 lines of code, which is the most amount of code I've ever written in my life, which I think has impacted me in a significant way.
We were supposed to make an obstacle avoidance car, but my group weren't able to really accomplish that. It was actually fun to just try again, even though we didn't really get it right.
Well, since I'm going to become an engineer, I like to also, this will actually help me to know what I'm going to face when I reach that engineering position.
What I found interesting in this bootcamp was the learning of both software and hardware. One of the projects that we did, we learned how to use or make an obstacle avoidance robot. We also learned how to program our IDEs. That is the IDE that we used was Arduino IDE. So we both learned the software and the hardware production of that.
I'm studying mechatronics engineering, and what we've done so far in the bootcamp is like a combination of all three, and it will be really helpful during my future courses.
For me, I advise this for anyone because what I'm studying is software engineering. So what I'm going to use is that I'm programming. I'm learning how to program, learning how to code. And also, this camp helps in robotics and software engineering. So it's adding more to my knowledge of software, that's what I already know, and also including the hardware component into it. So yes, it's going to help me in my future career.
Software engineering, I know it does not deal with hardware, but because of the Arduino aspect of this course, it does deal with code. So yeah, it will help.
I really think that going forward, it would actually impact my coding towards hardware and other operating systems.